up, down, we don't care.
Are you all filming?
Yeah, I'm already doing it.
Alrighty guys, we're at the main elevator at Stonebriar Mall, Frisco, Texas.
Yeah, let's hope that no people get on, so we can have it all to ourselves.
These are actually RT buttons too.
This is a beautiful
I
elevator.
think they're RT.
They totally have a Westie vibe.
They do. Yeah, you get that Westinghouse vibe from it. Let's see it come. Oh, and there is a guy. He might be going down. You never know.
Up or down?
Oh, we're gonna film anyways.
I say let's go down and all the way up.
This is a beautiful, huge elevator.
This is cabin time right here.
Yeah, this is rare that you get it like this.
Wow, I like this one.
Yeah. Like I said, this thing hasn't always had much of a motor, so this is kind of really weird.
What's the capacity? Thank you. 88.
Capacity is 9,000 pounds.
Oh, that's right. We went through this once. Coming up. We went through 2 or 3.
2, please.
All right. All right, I'm gonna take the corner. See the pit down there.
Yeah, you can.
That cage is attached to the elevator.
It is, yeah.
That just totally threw
It's
me
a
off.
neat looking cage, by the way.
Yeah.
I like the circle in the middle. We're gonna continue
Right.
up to 3, yeah. Here we go.
Oh, that's a good view.
What is on 3?
Here.
Oh,
24 screens.
that's huge.
Right?
Yeah. A 24 screen theater is huge.
Well, wait for it. Oh.
And then 1 or 2 take us to either.
Okay, I'll meet you guys.
Oh, you okay. Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Which floor are we going to?
Oh, fun, thank you.
What a mall.
I know, it's a huge mall.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at the door.
This used to be glass.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I remember it used to be. I forgot about that. It's right.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Why would they take that away?
Um,
I just think it's pleasant.
whoa.
Going in here.
Yes.
Oh.
Go ahead, guys.